So the live aspect of my Hero GoPro 7 Black was less than impressive. So I'm going to decide whether I need to keep it based on some other things. I'm going to take it for a ride. It's supposed to tell me how fast I'm going, my GPS location, all this nonsense in the video. I'm going to see how easy that works versus, I think the Garmin does that as well. And I think the Garmin supports Bluetooth, which means that I don't have to further modify my helmet to make the pack talk work when we're all riding in a pack. I think I just Bluetooth the Garmin to the pack talk, and then everybody's in my videos. It's from what I hear watching a couple of other videos, but we'll see. I'll try the two of them out side by side, try to give a comparison. I would like to see, you know, if this thing's going to pixelate when I go down a hill, because I know my normal Hero would definitely pixelate. It wouldn't tolerate this at all. Hello. Yeah, it would pixelate no matter what I did. Like, it would pixelate if I did that, it would pixelate if I did that. I've got the image stabilization on too, just to see how smooth it is. I don't know, we'll see. And I'm quite bouncy. I've got my suspension set on soft on my bike here, just intentionally to, hello, just to make it as bouncy as I can, just to see if the installation, the image stabilization is actually going to work. Considering that this is much smoother than anything I'm ever going to use this actual camera for. But that's kind of where I'm at. I'm just testing it to see if it's worth it. Because I know I'm bummed about a few things. I'm bummed that the live on Facebook thing doesn't work, because that was the whole reason that I bought it. Outside of that, I like that it'll tell me how fast I'm going, or how slow I'm going for that matter, where I am on the track or whatever. But there's other cameras that do that. The big bummer is the no Bluetooth on the GoPro. That's kind of a, wow, that is so beat that you can't use a Bluetooth microphone. Another downside is that you've got to disassemble the camera to change batteries, which I would have to do a lot, just because we typically go out for 4 or 5 hours when we do go out, and you know, GoPro battery doesn't last that long. I think I saw that this one here will last maybe 2 hours at best, so I probably have a 3 battery kind of day, in which case you've got to completely disassemble this thing, man. It's crazy how much you have to do to change the battery. Yeah, or to charge it. Even to charge it, you've got to take it out of this crazy shield, and yeah, it just seems like a lot more points of failure. So this might be embarrassing. I've been riding my motorbike for a couple of years, haven't had my GT Avalanche out, so I used to breeze right up this. I'm gonna need to get a running start at this, and even at that, I'm still probably not gonna make it. Well, I made it. Not by much, but anyway, that was a test. I'm gonna die now. Talk to you later.